Let's just do this here. By the way, did I tell you that I love trading? I really do. And everything I'm doing here is based, and this is so important, you know this. Everything I trade is a pattern. They're all patterns. It just gives me, so I've got the indicators, which give me the pattern. And as I mentioned, you can basically set this up on virtually any trading platform. I've coded, if you're on NT8, the arrows plot automatically. The white paint bars, see the white paint bars, it's another secondary entry you can follow. But I do give you the secret sauce to all of the indicators that I use. Now just here, once again here traders, I'm targeting below the pivot. Now the pivot in this case, sorry, is the low of day. I call those pivots as well as floor pivots. See up here, you've got yesterday's low. I call that a pivot because they act as price magnets. I call this a pivot, which it is. That's a floor pivot. Then I've got this is a recording, so I can't show you. I was going to drag it and just show you the Camarilla pivots. Now when we hit the low of day or high of day, see how we keep stair stepping down. So that is why even in a trendy market I will keep selling, because we'll quite often get through by 3, 4, 10 ticks. So I'll keep selling at the low or the high of day in a trending market. Now here I've got a maximum stop of 10 ticks. So I mentioned I'm usually after 10 ticks 1 to 1. Now some traders say 1 to 1, let's go for 3 to, that's crazy. Not if you've got an 80 to 90% win-loss ratio, traders. Okay, I just want to get in and get out. Now where I will go, and I started to just pause this for a sec, started to say this before, I will go for a larger target if I'm buying into a higher time, sorry, if I'm buying into a pivot and both my entry chart and higher time frame are trending strongly. That's when I then will go for a larger target. Now note where my stop is. Note here, I'm not fiddling with the stop. That is, it looked like I might have been about to get, what did I do then? I might have just been ready. Okay, so what I'm doing there is I was thinking, okay, do I bring my stop down? Because if I keep getting, because there I've got another trade entry. So if I get